Hello friend, in this short video you will learn everything about the smartphone iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max in a couple of minutes. Let's go. Apple officially introduced the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max smartphones, following the cheaper iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus models. The main visual difference from last year's iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max is the new notch design. It is called Dynamic Island and is an oval in which Face ID sensors and a front camera are installed. The developers have worked on the software component in order to fit this area into the system. It can turn into an information line or notification. The iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max have the best display ever, according to Apple. The LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED screen has a refresh rate of 1-120 Hz, a brightness of 2000 nits, and a dot density of 460 pixels per inch. The iPhone 14 Pro has a 6.1 display while the Pro Max version has a 6.7 display. The panel supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision. One of the major updates to the series is the camera. The iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max finally have a non-12 megapixels module. The main camera has a 48 megapixel sensor with 2.44 micron pixels in a 4-in-1 combination. Aperture, f1.78. The sensor is capable of capturing 1.5 times more light than the iPhone 13 Pro. The resolution of the telephoto lens and the ultra-wide-angle camera is 12 megapixels each. The flagships are equipped with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi 6E, GPS, NFC, stereo speakers and operate on the basis of the iOS 16 operating system. The battery capacity and the amount of RAM are not specified. Storage capacity ranges from 128 GB to 1 TB. There is also support for satellite communications, but it works exclusively in the USA and Canada. Despite rumors of a rise in prices remained at the level of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So, the iPhone 14 Pro will be available for a minimum of $999, while the iPhone 14 Pro Max will cost from $1,099. Sales will start on September 16th. This concludes the review. Bye bye.